I'm Humberto Astorga. I am Executive Vice President of Manufacturing and Chief Controlling Officer. We are here manufacturing product in Tucson, Arizona for Hexagon's mining division. 5 years ago, we moved into this facility, and just last year, we expanded the building to add a top-notch warehouse with our main focus on quality, on building quality products for our customer.
At the manufacturing facility, we actually build our main products, which is our collision avoidance system. We also build a Display 5 that goes along with it for machine control. In our core area, where we build our fleet management system, along with that, we have lines that are set up to build OSALV, which is Operating Alert System.
Different parts of the world have mandated through legislation in some countries that this equipment be utilized in order to protect the lives of their citizens. In order for that to happen, we need to make sure that we build it correctly here, because that individual is a father, a son, a daughter, a spouse. And so they need to go home at the end of the day, and the products that we make and help ensure that that happens.
We can get our products out to market within weeks because we have vertical integration and we build our products in-house. So when a customer has an order, we're able to build and have that order ready, as where any other company has to outsource all their products.
At Hexagon, we pride ourselves in quality. We have a capable quality team that ensures everything going out the door is correct, ensuring that our customers will get the best products in the market and the support that they require throughout the use of all of our products.
We do visual inspections, and we even take pictures through different parts of our assembly process to help our quality inspectors verify that the way we've put a product together is the correct way, and that everything is the way that it's supposed to be based on the engineering diagrams and specifications. We've incorporated these actions through every assembly line, every product that we make.
It takes good engineering, designing products. It takes good process controls and handing them over to manufacturing. And it takes hiring quality people that follow procedures and processes and are vested and believe in the company's quality commitments.
Part of the culture that we have here in the manufacturing facility is that we're always trying to look at how we can improve either a current product and how we assemble that product, or we're looking at the possibility of what a new piece of equipment can do for new products.